are a species that wants to explore. We've explored the seas, discovered continents, mapped out the human genome, and mapped out our solar system. Now we look to new worlds and galaxies, remembering that this is the generation to lead the way.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the video series. In the previous videos, you've seen Allie make her spacecraft, you've seen Alex make his spacecraft. Well, these actually get to go up on the shelf over here. This video is all about my spacecraft and my design. Allie's spacecraft was made in SOLIDWORKS apps for kids. Alex's was made in SOLIDWORKS X design, and I used traditional SOLIDWORKS. I came up with a little bit of a different design than what the kids did. And I got two different pieces here, and in the video I'll explain exactly what they are.
When designing my spacecraft, I made a few assumptions that we are a bit further along with our human technology. I assumed that we had something like a space elevator where we could send a material up to lower orbit space to a sort of spaceport. From there, we can launch spacecraft without the need for heavy rockets. A 2015 documentary called Skyline that explained a little bit of how this could happen. I also assumed that we could have some sort of energy source on board the spacecraft that could be used to push a solar sail. I also assume that we have figured out the best method to use solar sails. In an article from a few years back, a NASA scientist did some calculations that showed us being able to get to Mars in as little as 3 days, rather than the 5 to 6 months with current technology. I've put the link of this article in the description. Now on to the design. I started the design by creating multiple planes with different shapes on each one so that I could perform a loft between them. I then create a feature towards the front of the spacecraft that I would attach the solar sail to. I used the underrated dome feature to create the end geometry. Next, we create what would normally be considered wings, but in this spacecraft, we add what looks like a Marvin the Martian ray gun. The purpose of this would be to create some sort of energy source that would push the solar sail. We then create the bridge of the ship and add an engine with flames coming out the back. We then simply create a circular pattern and pattern all those features around. At some point, I must have decided to combine various parts of my childhood in this design, because this has elements of an X-Wing and a ray gun. Next, we give the model some color. I started out by copying and pasting appearances one face at a time, but then I just switched it up and edited the appearance and selected a bunch of faces all at once. I also thought we might as well use PhotoView 360 to create a quick rendering to see what it would look like. We now create the solar sail, using a surface loft up to a point. Then we thicken it. Then for visuals, I attach the solar sail to the spacecraft. I wanted the 3D print to look closer to a real solar sail, which many look similar to wrinkled up aluminum foil. So we will add a 3D texture to the body, then use the 3D texture tool, which came out in SOLIDWORKS 2019. We apply the 3D texture to the body, then we can change the element density, choose the height of the element, and finally, the minimum element size. The result, when printed, adds a lot of character to the part. Do you guys know how this spacecraft would work?
With that solar thingy, or whatever it's called.
Yeah, so how this would work is that, see those kind of ray gun things on the spacecraft?
Yeah.
Those would potentially send some sort of energy towards the solar sail, and then that energy would push it through space. There's also ideas where people say that they could utilize the sun for that, or even have large lasers on Earth shooting the solar sail to push it along.
That's cool.
What do you think of the overall design of the spaceship?
Well, it's good.
Think it'll do what we need it to?
Yeah.
Alex, what do you think of the overall design of the spaceship?
It looks really cool. It looks like a little, spacecraft, that they send to, Mars with those little, droids in it. Or rovers, whatever they're called.
Thanks everyone for watching this video series, and we hope you subscribe to the channel and you join us next time. Did you guys have fun doing this?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you all next time.